Tired of tossing and turning all night? It's not just your mattress or stress. Tiny hidden habits are silently wrecking your sleep. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm revealing exactly how to reset your mind, your room, and your routines, so you finally wake up refreshed and unstoppable. Let's dive in. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating realm of sleep and sharing some mind-blowing strategies to get the best rest of your life. So let's begin. 1. Introduction to the importance of sleep. Sleep, the magical cure-all for our souls. Did you know that getting enough quality sleep can supercharge your brain power, enhance your mood, and even boost your immune system? It's like an elixir for a better life. But wait, there's more. Research shows that lack of sleep is linked to an increased risk of obesity, heart disease, diabetes, and other major health issues. So, my friends, it's time to take our Z's seriously. Let's dive into some strategies to ensure you're getting the sleep you truly deserve. 2. Creating the perfect sleep environment. To start our sleep journey, let's focus on optimizing your sleep environment. Picture this: a dimly lit room, free from distractions and comfortably cool. Ah, heaven, right? Banish all those shiny distractions like mobile phones and tablets from your sleep sanctuary. The blue light emitted by screens can mess with your body's production of the sleep hormone melatonin, making it harder for you to fall asleep. Invest in some blackout curtains or an eye mask to block out those pesky beams of light that can disrupt your slumber. And if it's not too chilly, crack open a window to let in some fresh nighttime air. It can work wonders for your sleep quality, trust me. 3. Mindful wind-down routines. Now picture this as a relaxing wind-down routine that gently prepares your body and mind for that deep, rejuvenating sleep. Doesn't that sound amazing? Bedtime rituals can be a game changer. Creating a consistent pre-sleep routine trains your brain to wind down and signals it's time for rest. Consider activities like reading a book, practicing light stretching or yoga, or indulging in a warm bath with calming lavender-infused products. Oh, and let's not forget about the power of white noise or soothing sounds. Investing in a sound machine or simply playing ambient music can help drown out any noisy distractions, promoting a peaceful and uninterrupted slumber. 4. Nailing your sleep schedule. Here's a little secret to tell your tired brain: consistency is key. Try to establish a regular sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Our bodies crave routine, and maintaining a regular sleep-wake cycle can help align your body's natural rhythms, leading to more refreshing sleep. So, say goodbye to those sporadic bedtime habits and give your body the sleep schedule it deserves. 5. Navigating sleep stealers. Ah, sleep stealers. The sneaky culprits lurking around every corner, just waiting to snatch your precious Ziz away. Let's have a look at some common sleep stealers and how to combat them. First off, caffeine and alcohol. Though they might be your best buds throughout the day, they can severely disrupt your sleep patterns. So, consider limiting coffee or tea intake in the afternoon and being mindful of alcohol's impact on your sleep quality. And who can forget about stress? That pesky thief that loves to intrude on our peaceful nights. It's time to fight back, my friends. Engage in stress-reducing activities like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or keeping a gratitude journal. These simple practices can do wonders to calm your mind and promote uninterrupted sleep. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. Strategies for achieving the sleep of your dreams. Remember, by optimizing your sleep environment, creating mindful wind-down routines, nailing your sleep schedule, and combating sleep stealers, you'll be well on your way to a more restful and energized life.